Energy Tech Inside.
Reaching new heights at medium and high wind. The SG 6.6 to 155 wind turbine combines technology with benchmark performance and proven reliability. It is part of Siemens Gamesa 5.x onshore platform and offers you an outstanding value proposition. The new Siemens Gamesa 5.x onshore platform has its roots in Siemens Gamesa technology, synonymous with innovation, know-how and reliability accredited through experience. The Siemens Gamesa 5.x platform incorporates proven technologies, minimizing risk and guaranteeing reliability for its three new product models, SG 6.6 to 155, SG 6.6 to 170 and SG 7.0 to 170 wind turbines. These include a doubly-fed generator and partial converter combination, a compact drivetrain design with a 3-stage gearbox, and the use of components widely validated on our platforms. The result is a wind turbine design that gives optimum performance and LCoE. Our onshore approach is focused on geared technology, in which we have extensive knowledge and expertise. The hallmarks of Siemens Gamesa turbines are reliability, robustness, and a modular, flexible design for optimum adaptation and maximization of production at any site and in all wind conditions.
Energy Tech Inside.